Hello and welcome to Create With Us. My name is Jacqueline and I'm the Community Science Outreach Coordinator for the Pacific Grove Museum of Natural History. Do you hear that? I hear a barn owl. Barn owls are incredible predators and can often be heard at night here in Monterey County neighborhoods. And today, we're going to be creating owl gift boxes made from toilet paper rolls. This is going to be a fairly simple craft that doesn't need a lot of materials. All you're going to need is a toilet paper roll, some glue or tape, and a pair of scissors. You'll also like to use some construction paper or markers and maybe even twine, but none of that is actually necessary. Are you ready to get started? Fantastic. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take our toilet paper and we're going to compress it or press it flat, just like so. Then on each side, you might need an adult's help for this. We're going to push in our edges. You're going to fold in the ends like so on both sides. At the end, if you would like to secure it with a piece of tape, that works great. So now that we have our box shape down, we're going to start adding our owl features to it. First, take a construction paper and cut out a tiny heart, like so. And this is going to be the frame of the face. So owls tend to have a round or heart-shaped face. And you're gonna just go ahead and glue your face on. And while that's gluing, we're gonna set it aside and we're going to pick out a construction paper that we would like to use to create the body. Or if you have markers, you can start to draw feathers on your toilet paper roll. So take your piece of construction paper, fold it in half, and we're going to cut a circle, not a perfect circle, on our folded edge. And this makes for a perfect belly, like so. I'm gonna go ahead and glue down my owl belly, like so, right? And so now we have a cute little tag that also serves as our owl's belly that can pop up and we can write our to and from label inside, okay? On the outside of this, I'm gonna go ahead and draw some feathers for my owl. Now, owls are one of the quietest flyers to exist, meaning that when they fly and take off from a branch, they're extremely silent. You can almost not hear them. Humans have a really hard time hearing them, and so do a lot of other organisms. This helps them be stealthy when they are trying to catch their prey. Now this tag is completely optional. You don't have to do it like this. You can make the belly out of tissue paper or just draw markers or even just put stickers. Whatever works best for you. So we have our face, we have our feathers, and next we're going to add some eyes. Now I have some googly eyes that I've been wanting to use, so I'm going to use those. But again, you can make this out of construction paper or just draw them on. Now, owls have extremely big eyes that help them see in the dark. Now, an owl's eyes take up a lot of their face. So if you had owl eyes, let's take a break and show how big would your eyes be on your face. Very good. We have eyes, feathers, You're right, we're missing a beak. So go ahead and cut out an orange triangle for a beak. So owls, like I said earlier, are predators and they have an extremely sharp beak. And last but not least, we can do our wings. So there's two ways that we can make our wings. We can cut our wings out of our construction paper and they can be leaf shape and to the side. We can just glue them to the side of our toilet paper roll like so, and we can have our owl perched on a tree branch possibly. Or if we want to make it look like our owl is flying, we can cut an open wingspan out of our construction paper and glue like that. Now I kind of like this one a little bit better, so I'm going to do this one. But here's that example of the other one with the wings to the side. And there you go. We have our owl gift box. This makes a perfect eco-friendly gift wrapping solution for our upcoming holidays. Now, before I let you go, I wanted to share a couple other eco-friendly gift options. So this too was also just a toilet paper roll. I wrapped it in construction paper and tied it with a bow. This is a super friendly, super easy, simple thing that can be done to give gifts in. All right, you can put gift cards in here, you can put beads, all kinds of stuff. You can also you can decorate it with markers, stickers, as creative as you want to be with this option. Again, you can upcycle or reuse glass jars. Here's our leaf print jar that I showed you how to make a few weeks ago. Even just gluing twine to a old jar is a great upcycle and makes it useful. Painting rocks is a fun way. This here is our tic-tac-toe set. I painted bees and grasshoppers to play a game of tic-tac-toe with. Beeswax wraps are also a fun gift idea, and you can make them at home. Reusable straws are always a win. Here, an upcycled metal can that was painted and planted some succulents in. And also here in Monterey County, a very great gift is our California Central Coast Nectar Mix, which are a bunch of seeds that help our local pollinators such as the monarch butterflies, bumblebees, hummingbirds, and all the other insects you've grown to love. So just wanted to share a couple of other options. Thank you so much for joining me on Create With Us, and I hope you have a wonderful week.